Hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of this Coach Sneak Peek. Thanks so much for sticking through this week, for watching the videos, asking any questions that you've had. It's been so great having you here. If you haven't had a chance yet to watch all the videos, take this weekend to catch up, take it all in, and definitely reach out to me with any questions you have. If you haven't posted your intro yet, I'd still love to hear from you. If you have any hesitations or questions or concerns or anything like that, I really want to bring them up with you and address them and talk it out. There's no such thing as a stupid question. There's no such thing as if you think that there's something weird, just talk to me. I'm here to be open with you about this experience and what it's all about. So please ask your questions, like I've been saying all this week. And now we're at the last day of the sneak peek, which is all about how to get started if you're ready to do this thing. So I'm really excited. I'm hoping some of you want to join the team. Just getting to know you this week. I feel like we've got some great people in here that would make really awesome coaches. So in terms of getting started as a coach, I talked about this in my first day intro video. For me, it was sort of I had nothing to lose by signing up because you're not investing a huge chunk of money into this. There's really no risk involved. The only startup cost that you're going to have as a coach is purchasing your first challenge pack, which is a fitness program bundled with your first 30-day supply of Shakeology for a really awesome discounted price. So you can pick whichever program you want. I highly recommend 21 Day Fix because first of all, it's just 21 days, so it's a really quick way to jump into a program and get results. It's our most popular program, and it really combines the fitness and the nutrition side of things with a really awesome portion control meal plan, so you can be familiar with that. Because the main thing about being a coach is that you are proof the product works. You want to, stand for what you are promoting to people and show people that it works and that it's this really great product. So being involved in a challenge yourself, so getting started with that program and diving into one of our challenge groups is kind of step one as a new coach if you haven't had that experience yet. I know some of you have been in one of my challenge groups before, but if you haven't yet, I really want you to dive in and be a customer first and really have that experience. And then you'll know how to go out and start talking about this stuff. So that's your only investment to get started is that challenge pack. And what's great about that, like I said, no risk because it's an investment into yourself. You get stuff out of it too. It's not just like you're throwing money to the side and you're not really sure where that money is going. You're going to get your challenge pack. You're going to have, and with that included, you have your fitness program, your Shakeology, your business, or your coach sign-up fee is waived with that purchase, so it's free to sign up. And then you get your business starter toolkit with that as well. So you'll have everything you need to get started, and then it's, you get to benefit from using that program and drinking the Shakeology and having this really awesome experience and benefiting your health. So, it's an investment into you as much as it is investment into starting your own coaching business. And then from that point on, the only fees involved with being a coach, you have a $15.95 a month business service fee, and that takes care of your coach online office, customer service, websites, things like that. So, a really small fee to pay for all the awesome customer service support we get and things like that. And then just drinking your Shakeology every month, or we have some other awesome supplements that are really great that you could do as well. Because like I said, being proof the product works, so you want to be someone that's consistent, drinking your Shakeology and experiencing the benefits of that and sharing it. So really no risk. I know I keep saying that, but I want to just hone in, no matter what you do with this business, you can decide you are in it, you love it, you really want to go for it and see where this can take you, and that's awesome. If after a couple of months you decide I'm not really sure if this is for me, there's no penalty for deciding not to be a coach anymore. You're not going to be penalized with some fee or something like that. You can leave at any time, no hard feelings. There's no quotas that you have to meet every month as a coach to keep your active status or not be penalized in some way. Nothing like that. There are plenty of coaches on my team who really just love the product and they want to get the 25% discount, which you also get as a coach. So your Shakeology is 25% off, and any other programs you want to buy down the line. They just really want that discount and to be a part of the team community and being in the challenge groups all the time for the accountability. So they don't necessarily work the business, but they're involved with the team and they get to have all that awesome community support. And that's totally fine. That's what they want to do with it. So whatever you put into this business is what you get out of it, which is what I think is so great. You can do this as sort of like a hobby, as a side job, just to get a little bit of extra income to cover the own cost of your products because you love them and want to keep using them, or you can turn it into your full-time career like I did, which is so rewarding. Like, I just say that if you have any inkling in your mind to kind of wonder like what you could do with this and how coaching could change your life for the better, like the things that it's done for me is just like endless in terms of improving my life and just changing things for the better. So I just really encourage you to try. There's no harm in trying. You never know until you try. And I have a feeling once you get involved with our team, we're just so tight-knit, so supportive. Like, to be involved in a community that's just so positive after being, I don't know, like probably a lot of you, and I experienced that as well with my old job, was there's just so much negativity around it. And that just impacts all these different areas of your life, and you'll be amazed when you get involved with something so positive as this, like how that impacts your life in so many ways for the better. So I'm really hoping you decide to take a leap and jump in. It's okay to be scared. It's okay to have trepidations and hesitations about this. Like, I definitely have been there. I still have my concerns and worries because, being an entrepreneur is sort of scary. You're jumping out there, but you've got such an amazing support system. Me and the team are here with all sorts of training tools, so you're going to know what you need to do to take your business off and get it up and running. So you don't need to feel like you're doing this alone. So yeah, that's what I have for you today. If you are ready, please reach out to me and I'll talk to you about the next step, signing up with that challenge pack and getting you started. We have a new coach training that starts the first Monday of every month, so we've got one coming up here pretty soon. And if you still have questions for me and you're just not sure, that's totally fine too. If you feel like you'd rather start out just like in a challenge group, being a customer before you decide if this coaching thing is for you, that's fine as well. There's plenty of options and I'm happy to talk to you about them. So thanks so much for sticking out this sneak peek with me this week, and I'm excited to talk to each and every one of you. Have a great Friday, guys. Bye.